What are you doing, Callie?
Great.
Alex, what are we doing right now, Alex?
Buying a car.
Why are we buying a car?
Why are we buying a car?
All right, guys. So, in the life of a hooner, you have unexpected things that happen. So, our unexpected recently thing that has happened is, you probably can't tell it by here, but there's some coolant under there. And what does coolant in the fender well mean, Alex?
You blew your head gasket. I need the keys.
So that means that I blew my head gasket. Shit. We're going to pick up another car. It's like a 10-hour drive, so you'll see me on the trip there. All right, guys. Sitting in front of my new car. Check it. It's an E36 vert. There's Alex. She's giving me a thumbs up. You probably can't see it. She's a vert, and she's a piece. Just how we buy them on this channel here. She runs good. Top's fine. Needs a lot of body work, but can't complain for $800. Can't find an E36 for $800 with 159K. Yes, sir. What you got to say about this, Alex? What you got to say? Is it nice? It's not nice? You don't like it? She needs a little bit of work. Don't hate on her right now. Alright. I think the coil's about to fall out. Who cares? Just a little bit of weight distribution. You know, this is what happens when you buy shit boxes. That's all we do, is buy shit boxes. So, you know what's up.
Tomorrow.
What up, guys? It's a new day. It's a new day in a new car. You know, that's how we like it. Shitbox E36s. I picked this up from my buddy Dennis. He bought it, or I think the guy before him bought it as a parts car. Didn't do anything with it. He bought it and it's sat in his garage for a year. Since I blew out the back of the head gasket in this thing, I mean, it's not bad, but under load, it starts to leak out of the back of the head. So I can't really drive this right now. I don't want to drive it. I don't want to risk messing up the head. I've already talked to a shop about it getting studded and a new head gasket and everything, but here she is. She's a vert. She got hit in the right front corner right here, hence the new fender. I mean, it's not bad. It's got a little bit of rust on it here and there, you know, but I plan on wrapping it anyways. There's an issue with the title. The last guy didn't sign it over. So me and Alex are about to pull up to his house and see if he'll sign the title over to me. He actually just lives right down the road from me, so, you know, that's pretty chill. What did we just do, Alex?
We just got the title signed over.
The guy was super chill. He might follow the channel. You're super chill. Thomas, I think his name was. Thomas. But we got the SOB signed over, the son of a bitch. And now the progress begins. Alex, how much money am I going to spend tonight?
$5.
Probably times 100.
Come this way.
Speed racer. Speed racer.
Come on, Cooch. Come on. Come on.
And here comes the turbo 36. Gone like the wind. Gone like the wind. Hey. Come on, let's go. Let's go. One more time. Come on. Okay. That's it for this video. What are they supposed to do? Tell them what they're supposed to do.
Subscribe.
And?
Like and share.
And? Comment down below. Don't worry, we'll get all of it.